might need to be brighter.
Kind of reflects off the back on the silver stuff though. So.
Ryan's in the zone, dude.
Alright guys, motor toys. So we just ran the GTR. He's full bolt-ons, tuned. Had a mishap where we actually lost signal and gave him about a 2 or 3 second move. We ran a 5.6 at 96. So I'm pretty sure I caught him. I think he ran low 7s, so I got to play back the other footage and other angles and see. But yeah, fortunately, you know, didn't wreck the car or anything like that. 6S, so not full power, but yeah, decent run all in all. You know, and he insisted on the left lane, so I was in a lane that I'm not usually in. Stay tuned, guys. Good run all in all.